Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. India will vaccinate all by December 2021. Keeping aside the questions on whether it will happen or not, this statement should have ideally come from our health minister. But this was informed to us by our Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar while also slamming Rahul Gandhi. Now, we have already spoken about the slow pace of India's vaccination drive. There are also concerns being raised about vaccination of children in the country. Amid all of this, a tweet by Finance Minister has created a flutter. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman 2 days ago tweeted, and I quote, "As of now, no country in the world is giving vaccines to children. WHO has no recommendation on vaccinating children. Trials on children in India are going to begin soon. The decision is to be taken by scientists after data is available based on trials." She also added a link to the PIB press release titled Myths and Facts on India's Vaccination Process by Dr. V.K. Paul. Now, Railway Minister Piyush Goyal also tweeted the same. Now, after the press release, several Twitter users also tweeted about it. But the question is, are no countries vaccinating children? A quick Google search and you can fact check the PIB fact check. Countries like the United States, Canada and the United Arab Emirates have already rolled out vaccination drive for children. In fact, in the United States, as many as 6 lakh children aged between 12 to 15 have already received their first dose of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine as of May 18th. The emergency use authorization was given to Pfizer and BioNTech vaccine for children in May 2021 itself. In fact, 2 other vaccines, Moderna and Johnson & Johnson, are likely to be given the emergency use authorization to start vaccinating children in the US. Canada has also started inoculating children, about 12, from May 5th. As per India Today report, on May 20th, UAE has also started booking Pfizer vaccine slots for 12 to 15 age group. It had also given emergency use authorization to the vaccine on May 13th itself. Thereafter, several tweets were made where Twitter users showed kids in the United Arab Emirates being vaccinated. Qatar has also opened up online registration for children to get vaccinated, and Bahrain also has opened vaccination for children. So many users also replied with tweets and pictures showing kids in few of the above countries being vaccinated. This tells us that the claim that no countries are vaccinating children is false. However, Nirmala Sitharaman is right about the WHO recommendation. The World Health Organization statement on its website says that there is not yet enough evidence on the use of vaccines against COVID-19 in children to make recommendation for children to be vaccinated against COVID-19. Children and adolescents tend to have milder disease compared to adults. However, children should continue to have the recommended childhood vaccines. However, US's Center for Disease Control and Prevention has already recommended that children above 12 years should get vaccinated. Soon after the fact check, the government issued clarification. Niti Aayog member Dr. V.K. Paul, who also authored the Myths versus Fact on India vaccination process document, in the statement said that 1 or 2 countries will start doing that now, but WHO has not given any recommendation yet to cover the pediatric population in general, as any illness in the pediatric population is very, very mild. Finance Minister also tweeted about this, and later on the press release also carried a note saying that the release mentions that no country in the world is giving vaccines to children. It should read, no country in the world is giving vaccines to children under 12 years. The other points made in that section are valid. The inadvertent typographical omission is regretted. Now, this is what the PIB fact check document, PIB press release, stated in an update. Do let us know what you think about this in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
Namaskar. We asked you to support us, and we are overwhelmed and grateful for the kind of support you gave us. A lot of you all told us that you find it difficult to support us through Facebook or through YouTube, and you would like to directly come and take subscription on our channel. A lot of you all said that you wouldn't prefer to pay through credit cards but rather have other methodologies. A lot of you all said that you want a one-time payment option, one-time subscription option. So we arranged for all of that. All of that has been arranged for. We have now multiple payment options. We have UPI, we have Paytm, we have credit cards, we have net banking, we have wallet. We have a lot of payment option now. We have a one-time subscription option. And all of this is now available on our website. The link is down below. And our website, of course, as you know, is www.hwnews.in. Mind you, with subscription, we also have a lot we offer you. So you have exclusive programs, you have exclusive meet and greets, you have exclusive goodie bags, a lot of it that we give for each subscription. All of those details are there in our website. So please go to our website and if possible, subscribe to us. Till I see you next time. Namaskar.